Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings so you can change behavior immediately. Tap Focus, then choose Do Not Disturb. This is where the rules live. You do this because DND can follow a schedule or allow specific contacts, which is why we inspect those settings first. Once done, glance at Scheduled and People to know whether DND will reactivate automatically, and make sure you have the right context before turning it off. Now, turn DND off manually so notifications resume. In Settings Focus Do Not Disturb, flip the toggle to Off. Alternatively, swipe down for Control Center, open Focus, and tap Do Not Disturb to disable it immediately. You do it both ways depending on convenience, Settings for a thorough check, Control Center for speed. Make sure the crescent icon or focus label no longer appears. That confirms your phone will ring and notify you again. Finally, prevent DND from turning itself back on by disabling scheduled times and smart activation in the Do Not Disturb settings. This ensures it stays off. If you previously added automation or shortcuts that enable DND, remove or adjust them so the change sticks. If DND still reappears, restart your iPhone to clear transient state and then recheck focus settings. Troubleshooting tip: restart first, then inspect scheduled, automation, and device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.